How to rearrange photos on Instagram after posting. Let's get started. Launch your Instagram app. Here we go. Make sure you have already logged into your account. You'll land to the home page. Now at the bottom, you're going to find different icons. Click on the profile icon. With that, you'll land to your profile page. Now head towards the post that you want to rearrange. At the top right corner of the post, you'll find three dots. Click on it. With that, different options will appear: archive, hide, like, count, create reel from this post, and many more. Go ahead and click on the option of edit. The only thing you can do with this post is you can delete the picture if you want to rearrange it. Just scroll. At the top left corner, you'll find the delete icon. Go ahead and click on it. Delete media. Click on delete. With that, the specific picture from the middle of the post will be deleted. As of right now, this is the only option. So this way you can rearrange photos on Instagram after posting, or else what you can do is re-upload the post again. Well, that's all for this video. I hope you guys are clear about how to rearrange photos on Instagram after posting. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.